Hello world, it's July 17th, 2025. Welcome to a new edition of Cyber Briefing by Cyber Material. Cyber alerts brought to you by 911 Cyber. Hackers use 607 malicious domains to deliver Telegram APK malware. Threat actors weaponize SVG files by embedding malicious JavaScript for cyber attacks. Zero-day RCE flaw in SonicWall SMA devices exploited. Cyber incidents brought to you by 911 Cyber. Air Serbia hit in growing wave of cyber attacks targeting airlines worldwide. Ukrainian cyber attack disrupts operations of major Russian drone manufacturer. Cyber news brought to you by 911 Cyber. China's cyber sector strengthens operations targeting U.S. networks and agencies. This cyber briefing was produced with Saint, your artificial intelligence newscaster. For more headlines, visit cybermaterial.com.